Now I just wanted to give an update for my $100 portfolio that I started at the beginning of the year, and the plan for this was simple, just dollar cost average $100 a month into this account. And the reason I use M1 is their Pi service, which you can see on this test account. Now all you have to do is add the amount of stocks that you want, and it'll split percentages between them, sort of like creating your own actively managed ETF. But for the $100 account, all I wanted to do was choose a strong ETF, so I chose VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Market Index. Now this one is fully diverse across 4,000 stocks, and I didn't want to have to overthink which stocks that I have to trade between each month. And since January, I deposited $100 into this account at the first of each month. Now this was just my monthly deposit plan. Now you can have a completely separate one where if you deposit each week or each quarter. And the total return that we're looking at on the year to date of the account is 0.2%, which is made up because of the lowered cost basis that I was able to buy in each month and the earned dividends that VTI pays out. Now, a 0.2% return might not seem like much when you have an average high yield savings account with a 1 to 2% return, but remember, we're currently in a rough time in the stock market. And if you go to VTI's website and you look at its return averagely on the year since its inception is around 8%. So I'm sure that currently a savings account might outpace it, but remember, in the long term, this looks like a good pick. Now compare this return to the actual VTI return of the year to date of negative 11%. I'm outpacing VTI by 11%. Now if you look at the overall market for the year on FinViz's map and it had a year to date performance, you can see a lot of stocks are down with a selective few being up like energy. But what I chose to do is just chose the whole market ETF and just dollar cost average. Now, this is a good case study and a perfect example of time in the market beats timing the market. Now, all I did was deposit each month with no research. So if you're a beginner looking into invest, dollar cost averaging into a solid and strong ETF is a good way to go. But let me know if you dollar cost average down in the comments below and what stocks you're doing it in. If you enjoyed the video, like or subscribe for more content like this.